Psalm 103, verse 3. He who forgives all your iniquities and heals all your diseases. I have seen the moment you fell short, my child, the mistake you couldn't take back, and the weight of guilt you tried to carry quietly. And still, I've called you forgiven. Fully, freely, forever. I don't hold your failures over your head. I lift them off your shoulders. I don't remind you of your past. I heal it. I'm not keeping score. I'm keeping my promise to forgive all your iniquities and heal all your diseases. That's not partial grace. That's complete mercy. There is no sin too tangled for me to untie. No shame too deep for me to reach. My forgiveness is not delayed or hesitant. It comes with open arms and a heart that already chose you. You don't have to earn it. You simply receive it. And just as I've washed away your wrongs, I'm also tending to the places that hurt. Healing isn't something I might do. It's who I am. I heal wounds the world can't see. I restore what weariness has broken down. I reach the parts no medicine can touch. The heart, the soul, the spirit. And I speak life into them again. Where disease has tried to settle, I bring wholeness. Where pain has made a home, I pour peace. Where you felt worn thin, I pour strength. I'm not offering temporary relief. I'm working a deep restoration. What I forgive, I cover. What I heal, I make whole. You don't have to hide your pain from me. I never turn away from your need. Bring me your scars, internal and external, and watch how I tend to them with gentleness. There's no part of you I overlook. I am just as committed to your healing as I am to your forgiveness. So, my child, I bless your heart to live unburdened. I bless your body to recover, your soul to breathe again, and your thoughts to rest in peace. I bless your life with the quiet confidence of one who is fully seen and fully restored. I have forgiven you completely. I am healing you continually. And I will never stop doing both. You are mine, and I make all things whole.